guys are enjoying, eh?
Yes, you too?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Enjoy right now.
Yeah.
I hope you're influencer. Sorry. Kuna photo protector kiasi leo.
Wapi?
Screen protector sika screen leo.
Azili. What's up guys, it's your boy Kimani, and this fine morning my friends and I have decided to go for a hike at Ngong Hills. So I'll take you guys along the journey. Make sure you stay tuned guys. Let's go. Today's adventure starts right here at Masai Lodge stage in Ongata Rongai, where we are catching a matatu heading to Kiserian, the fare being only 50 Kenyan shillings. We are here at Kiserian. We are going to buy some snacks for the hike. Yes guys, stay along.
Mchukulie brand ya Budi. Highlands ndio. Chukua yangu tena. Saki yako. Ni how much? Na hii nataka hii. Angalia pro. Na utapiga mboto. Watu wameshachukua yako. Si ndio hii? Kidiko unanichukulia? Ndio hii. Utapiga mboto rejea. Chukua yako hapa. Mimi nisha. Ndio ya bii. Mimi nisha. Chini yangu. Ndio yangu.
Glovo ingefanya hii maneno.
Baba ni bebe. Wakati mimi katika nimejanga. Amechukua begi hapo. Na industry ndio. Bado napewa. Jamaa lezi boy. Ndio bana. Hapo na geti wewe na kutoka daktari.
We are now going to take a taxi.
Fingers.
Diki nikatie hii.
So we have negotiated with the guy to take us there. 100 shillings per person. Up to the place, 100 shillings.
Watu wanakuwa hapa busy bana. Wewe bado na ufupi maana hapa.
We have now switched things up and taken a taxi, heading straight to the base of the hills, which is the official starting point of our hike. The road starts to wind gently, and the air already feels fresh as we leave the town behind. Out the window, you can see the hills rising in the distance, covered in green and stretching endlessly across the horizon. It's quiet, peaceful, and a little exciting. That feeling you get right before an adventure begins. We have just arrived at the base of the Ngong Hills, and the view from here is already incredible. You can feel the wind picking up and the air getting cooler. It's the perfect hiking weather. Right now we are walking towards the checkpoint, where every hiker has to register before starting the climb. The excitement is real. This is where the real adventure begins. Let's see what the trail has in store. This is the checkpoint. We have just reached the checkpoint and completed our registration. The entrance fee was 1,000 shillings for all 7 of us. Not really bad for a full day of adventure. Now everything is set. The team is ready and the trail ahead looks amazing. From here it's all about the climb, the views and the experience. Let's get this hike started. There goes the first hill. That's where we're climbing. This is the first hill. I haven't even climbed the first hill, but I'm really sweating. It's gonna be tough, but let's go. The first hill hits you right away. Steep, grassy, and a real test for your legs.
Everyone is full of energy, laughing and taking breaks for quick photos. The view behind us already looks insane. You can see Rongai and Kiserian stretching out in the distance.
I'm done with the first hill. I'm now waiting for my friends to catch up. So I'm having some water with glucose just for the energy, guys. But I'm in very bad shape. I'm in very bad shape. I need to resume my cardio and start running again. So this is my second hike. The first one I went to Mount Longonot. That was crazy. It was so crazy that I swear to myself that I'll not go to any other hike, but this is not very bad. Even a beginner can do this. So people are even running. Mad energy over here.
Till 1 mile. 25 minutes 10 seconds. Elevation 7,285 feet.
So we are at 7,285 feet. Yeah. And we're just starting. So it's gonna be a tough journey. It will be a tough ride. But winners never quit, my dogs. We gotta do this. And comment if you want to tag along on the next hike. Now let's climb the first hill. That wasn't the first one. Someone just told me here that now this one that I'm climbing is the first hill. So not yet. Let's climb this. Let's do this, boys. My dogs. This is easy. Damn, so fucking crazy. Boy. It's a quick snack time. Let's eat some snacks.
Gym bros understand this very well.
Masa poli kushika hapa lazima utafanya. Hakuna pikipiki hapa.
Nilikuwa naisha niaje ile video yenyewe.
Chawa baba kitolewa hiyo na kila. Lakini right, sucrose.
Yeah man.
Tungeleta kamnyezo.
Dinge wale buda. Nilikuwa fana.
Onto the second hill now, and the wind is stronger here. You start to feel the rhythm of the trail up, down, up again. The green slopes and open sky make it worth every step.
You're done with the second hill. Now approaching the third one. Let's go.
Total 2 miles. 1 hour 14 minutes 14 seconds. Elevation 7,848 feet.
Yes. You guys are good? Aye.
By the third hill, the team is quieter, everyone is focusing on their breathing. But when you reach the top, you forget the pain instantly. You can see the trail snaking ahead, cutting through the hills like a ribbon.
What? So naona bado unaona ma meals bado. So naona bado ma meals ndo zile sasa. Ukisona ziko karibu. Umeziona?
Wala hizo useme iko mbali leo karibu. Oye nikai iko pale.
There's still some distance to go.
Buda. Unajua unapoangalia aje? Basi sasa hapo mlikuwa na hope ile serious.
Tukidhani iko karibu.
Wewe mzee. Hapa leo tunapunguza pace kidogo bana. Kidogo. Sisi hapa mlikuwa na hope mbaya. Unajua inakaa niko karibu. Unajua in the next 20 minutes tunamaliza.
So guys, as you can see, I'm zooming. So when I'm from here, you can see it's very close, but not yet. I'm gonna go for the fourth one.
The fourth hills follows quickly, shorter but steeper, and we push through with some water breaks and a few laughs.
But at least the weather today is sunny, so there's not much cold.
Huku naona niko na kitu. Let's go and sit in huko. Unaenda
Hi. Say subscribe.
Subscribe to
Kimani.
subscribe to Kimani.
Okay.
Niko na upendo.
si ya mwisho.
You guys are enjoying, eh?
Yes, you too?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Okay. Enjoy the way back.
Yeah.
I hope you're an influencer.
Ama ikrakia protector hivi. Kuna protector kiasi leo.
Wapi?
Screen protector sasa screen ndo.
Azi. Wow. Usiwezi kubali amkasi. Hapa ni noma Mike. Eh.
Nairobi boss.
Mwabe tumejaa.
Tumeva crowd.
Ile serious.
Hii
Ile serious.
tumejaa.
Ile serious.
Hii breeze is refreshing.
He cool breeze man.
Give breeze is refreshing at the girls. Aka joto.
Hey man, nimedunda hapo nyuma bana.
Melapa bana huko.
Lakini tuko kwa
Baki nyuma.
utasioji bro.
Sana walete kila kitu. Hii ama ni kiasi station.
The fifth hill feels endless. The sun is higher now, and every step feels heavier. But the breeze up here keeps you going.
Watu wamefika sana mtu wa karibu.
We stop for a quick snack break. A few bites of energy bars and sips of water make all the difference.
Let's now continue to hill number 5. No, I'm good. Next time, eh? Oh yeah! So those guys, eh? I used the shortcut. Not these guys.
Unalava. Ukiteremka hivi inakuwa even more. Ayo wala hapa mtu anaweza la hapa.
This is risky, guys. This is risky. Look at that animal, the 60. They're going over there. Sixth hill gives you the final warm up before the big one. It's more gentle and the scenery opens up beautifully. Done with the sixth one. One more to go. Still feeling energetic. Let's finish this, guys.
Now we are on the 7th and final hill, and it's a mix of exhaustion and excitement. You can already see the wind turbine standing tall ahead. That's when you know you are close. Reaching the top, the massive white turbines come into view, slowly spinning against the sky. It's surreal. The sound of the blades, the cool wind, and the wide view of the Rift Valley on one side and Nairobi on the other. And that's it. The Ngong Hills conquered. 7 hills, countless memories, and views that make every step worth it. The sense of peace up here is unreal. You forget how tired you are. It's just you, the wind, and the view. Time to rest, take in the moment, and maybe grab a few more photos before heading back down. What a day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. The Ngong Hills hike was an unforgettable experience. Tough, beautiful, and totally worth it. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to explore more amazing places.